Forget scraping LinkedIn with complicated software or hiring a VA to do it manually for you. This morning, I ran a single search and walked away with thousands of verified leads, including their emails, phone numbers, job titles, company info, and so much more in under 10 minutes. And I didn't even have to touch LinkedIn. I didn't write a single line of code, and I didn't spend hours cleaning up a mangled CSV file. Now, with just one click, I exported the entire list into a spreadsheet, and I push it directly into my CRM. And this will work with tons of CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Outreach, and Pipedrive. Now, if your sales process still depends on slow tools, stale data, or hitting those LinkedIn limits, then keep watching this video because this might be the smartest way to fill your pipeline. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can get unlimited leads using Wiza. There's going to be the manual LinkedIn profile method, the high volume LinkedIn Sales Navigator method, and then a third option that just bypasses LinkedIn entirely. You can filter and export directly inside Wiza. Now, let's dive into the LinkedIn profile extension first. This method is ideal for personalized outreach when quality matters more than quantity. Now, after you install the Wiza Chrome extension, you can start to browse LinkedIn like normal, but now Wiza will reveal their contact info to you directly on their profile page. You'll see this button that says reveal contact info on all profile pages. And when you click this, you'll not only see their contact info immediately, their data will also be pulled directly into your Wiza dashboard where you can create lists. This works on first, second, and even third degree connections, pretty much on any LinkedIn profile you can go on. Now, the cool thing about this is that all of the contact info that you're getting is verified in real time, so you know it's legit. So you can use this for ABM, warm outreach, or manually building a short list of high value prospects. You can save each lead, export to a CSV file, or even sync it directly to your CRM, all from one place. Don't worry if you need to scale with more leads. There's definitely a faster option coming next because going to each individual profile isn't really efficient. So this is where the LinkedIn Sales Navigator extension comes in. Now, this is how you'll scale your outreach even faster. So again, make sure you have the Wiza Chrome extension installed, then go into LinkedIn Sales Navigator and run your search. Once you have a list with your search results, you'll see a purple Export with Wiza button on the top of the page. So just click that button and Wiza will extract up to 2,500 leads in a single run. You'll get verified phone numbers, emails, job titles, company info, and a lot more. Now, there is an export limit of 2,500 leads, so if you need to export more than 2,500 leads, then watch this video that I linked up above here, which is also in the description of this video, so you can learn how you can bypass that 2,500 export limit. Now, once you have that list in the Wiza dashboard, you can export that to a CSV file, push it directly to your CRM, or send it to your email tool in seconds. Now, this approach of using LinkedIn Sales Navigator is obviously a game changer for SDRs, founders, or anyone doing mass outbound, but you do need to have a subscription to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. But what if I told you that you don't even have to be on LinkedIn at all? You don't even need to use Sales Navigator. If you're looking for maximum efficiency, then there's actually a third method that I think you're going to appreciate. You can build and export your perfect lead list entirely inside of Wiza. Within Wiza Prospect, you get access to 850 million verified contacts, and you can use powerful filters like job title, seniority, company size, industry, keywords, or revenue to refine your ideal list. Now, these filters mirror Sales Navigator, but you can run this entirely inside the Wiza platform, and you don't need a Sales Navigator subscription. Now, once you have your list set, just click export and Wiza verifies and enriches all of your leads instantly. Then it'll let you download a CSV file or just sync it directly with your CRM. But what happens when your contacts change jobs, they switch companies, or get a new email address? Well, this used to be a huge problem, which would lead to outdated lists, bounced emails, and ultimately just destroy your sender reputation. But luckily, that challenge is solved now too, thanks to Wiza Monitor. It automatically tracks job changes, updates contact records, and sends you emails or Slack alerts, all without you lifting a finger. So you can check out Wiza Monitor next in this video right here, which I also linked in the description down below, so you can learn how to keep your list perfectly up to date, all on autopilot. So have a magical day, and I'll see you in that next video.